Good morning everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Lal Bagh Girls Inter College Lucknow. I am Shalini Malhotra. Children, today in English literature I am going to tell you a very nice and interesting story about a very intelligent and a talented boy who is a school going boy whose dreams are beyond the expectations of his parents. Let us see what the story says. Children, the name of the story is The Right Choice. Rakesh was very excited. It was the last day of his examination. His vacation was about to begin. He walked back home cheerfully. This is about a child, a boy Rakesh, who was having his last examination. He was going back home after giving the examination and he was very happy and cheerful. As soon as he reached home, he put his bag in a corner and ran towards his brother's room. When he came back home, he put his bag on the chair and he ran towards his brother's room. Rakesh, don't disturb your brother. His exams are not yet over, his mother said. The mother asked Rakesh not to move to his brother's room as his brother was having his examination and he was preparing for that. Rakesh returned to his room sadly. His brother Mukesh was preparing for the board exams. His parents did not want Mukesh to be disturbed because Rakesh has finished up with his exams, but the mother and the parents did not want that his brother Mukesh should be disturbed. So the mother said not to disturb his brother. He was back in his home in a very sad mood. A little later, his mother called out, Rakesh. Yes, mother, he answered and rushed to her room. What is it, mother? He asked curiously. The table lamp in Mukesh's room is not working. He needs it. Go and call the electrician, she said. As soon as he was back in his room, mother called him and asked him to call the electrician as the table lamp in his brother's room, Mukesh, was not working. Mother, can't Mukesh fix it himself? He is so good at it, Rakesh said. Now Rakesh is saying to his mother that Mukesh can fix it himself. He is very good in this. Don't argue, Rakesh. Do as you are told, she said sternly. Then the mother said, no, you have to call the electrician, as she said it in a very rude manner, in a very harsh tone, sternly, in a harsh tone. Overhearing this conversation, Mukesh came out and said, oh mother, please let me try. It will not take more than half an hour. Hearing the conversation between Rakesh and the mother, Mukesh came out of the room and said, ma'am, let me see the table lamp and I will take only half an hour to repair it. No, don't waste your time. Go and study, she said firmly. Quietly, Mukesh returned to his room but could not concentrate on his studies. He was eager to use his electrical tool kit. Mukesh had selected each tool with utmost care. Mukesh came back in his room but he was not concentrating on his studies because he was very much interested in repairing the lamp, as he also had a tool kit for the same. Mukesh had selected each tool with utmost care. He kept looking at it. He could not control himself and finally got up to fix up the lamp. When Rakesh moved out to find the electrician, Mukesh could not make himself away from the tool kit and he started fixing the lamp. By the time Rakesh returned, Mukesh had already repaired the lamp. By the time his younger brother called the electrician, Mukesh has already fixed the lamp by using his tools. Wow, Mukesh, you are brilliant. I knew you would be able to do it, exclaimed Rakesh. When his younger brother came with the electrician, he said, wow, you have done it. You have repaired the lamp. I knew you can do it. He said, you are so intelligent, brother. Sorry for the trouble, Mr. Yadav. The work is already done. Mr. Yadav is the electrician. And the mother said, sorry for the trouble, the work is already done. The lamp is already repaired. I am sure Mukesh must have done it. You already have an expert electrician at home, Mr. Yadav said and left with a smile. Electrician said that you already have an expert electrician, that is Mukesh, the elder son. And he returned with a smile. Now stop wasting your time and get back to your studies, mother told Mukesh. Now mother asked Mukesh to get back to his studies. On the day of the announcement of results, Mukesh went to the school with his parents. Mukesh had topped his class. Mother, now it will be easy for you to gain admission in a good college. Mukesh, mother, I don't want to go to a college. Father, I want to join a course that can help me take my hobby as my profession. When they reached the school, Mukesh has topped in his class. He stood first in his class. Now the mother said, you will get a very good opportunity to take the admission in any college. But Mukesh said that I will join according to my interest. My hobby is electricity and I will join that course. The next day he went to the Technical Training Institute with his father. There he got admission in the course of his choice. Now Mukesh went with his father in a Technical Training Institute where his hobby was, and he got the admission there. A couple of years later, after completing the course, everyone looked cheerful as they walked out of the house. Mukesh had set up a new shop and they were going for its inauguration. Now, after completing his course in technical line, Mukesh came back to his place and everybody in the colony were moving out for the inauguration of his new shop. At the inaugural ceremony, Mukesh asked Rakesh to come forward and cut the ribbon. Then Mukesh asked his younger brother Rakesh to come forward and cut the ribbon of his shop. Everyone clapped and wished Mukesh good luck. Everybody is clapping for Mukesh and wishing him good luck. He has got his hobby, he has got his new shop and the way to progress. Yes, children, this is a very interesting story that how a talent of a child grows about Mukesh, and I hope you like it. Do write the difficult words in your copies, English literature copies, and have a good day. Goodbye.